It's a very good session. I'm looking forward to the materials that you will share. It will give us something to at least start with. I'm actually from IT, so I guess we have a lot of work to do because we're the guys who will be implementing all this stuff, the backups, the perimeter security, all that stuff. So I learned a lot, especially the automating. Currently, we still manually do it, like the blocking of IPs, the domains. So I actually just asked our firewall provider vendor on how we can automate it. So and there are a lot of other things that I have picked up. Too many to mention. But I will wait for the templates that you will share, because I think through the templates that we can really go through it and drill down on each of the assets that we need to protect. So it will be a great help for us. And of course, it will be a lot of work. But at least now I understand where the infosec guys are coming from.